how to sign up for Xenith Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device. Now one thing you have to note down is that Xenith Bank have changed their name to Atlantic Union Bank. So at the search bar, you have to search for Atlantic Union Bank and select this link that is on top. Okay, now once you are on the website, just tap on the option that says Login right beside menu. Now right below the Login option, you can see the option of Enroll. Just tap on it. Let's wait for some time until the web page is loading. Okay, here we go. Now you have to start by entering your username and creating a strong password for your account. Now make sure that you follow all these instructions and create a strong password for your account safety. Okay, let's create a strong password for my account. Now retype your password that you entered earlier. Now scroll down below and you have to enter your date of birth and your SSN number, and at last make a check mark on this box and simply tap on continue. Then you will successfully be able to create your Atlantic Union Bank online account, which is Xenith Online Banking. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.